Hello, Texas. This is Cody from Palm Harbor Homes of Houston. I just want to do a quick little walkthrough of a TDI mod we have on special right now. Now, this TDI mod is special because it can go anywhere in the state of Texas. It also comes with this beautiful built-in porch. It's got this massive utility room with all kinds of space. Beautiful kitchen. Could cook a lot of great meals there. Check out this living room and entertainment center. You also have this amazing master bedroom, but check out this master bathroom. You've got your tub, you've got the walk-in shower with the tower shower and a huge walk-in closet. Now guys, this house is on special, so give me a call. My number is 936-524-8227.